We're gonna put together a Halloween costume each, only from Walmart. Like sister versus sister type thing. Happy Halloween. Mom bra, mom bra, mom bra. Burgundy, 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 burgundy. I am glad I bought backup pants.
1, 2, 3.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
We are in Walmart right now.
And don't mind the shades, I'm a little hungover this morning.
I actually stayed in like a good student and edited my YouTube video to go live today on my vlog channel, and I had to miss out on partying on Thursday.
Yeah, I threw a house party last night.
Anyway, at the age we are, we realize when we're going to the bars or a Halloween party, we don't feel like going to those Halloween stores that have like $70 costumes. We want to just go to Walmart and see what we can find and put together. So that made us think of this challenge where we're gonna put together a Halloween costume each, only from Walmart. When you get older, you just want like a one-stop shop. Like you don't want to have to go to here and here and here.
Nope.
Like, accessories, makeup, outfit,
crafts,
DIY, everything has to be from here. Walmart it is.
Pause. This is a little Nikki takeover real quick. Sorry to interrupt the flow of the video, but I kind of do have something really exciting to tell you guys. I just launched my jewelry brand called Knickknacks. And the first collection in the brand is a Halloween line called the Charmed Collection. It's available now. There's 8 pieces in the collection, ranging from necklaces to rings to earrings. Everything's under $20. There's also a huge giveaway going on with the collection. You can win the entire collection. Follow Shop Knickknacks on Instagram for all updates and announcements regarding that. Sorry for interrupting. Let's get back to the DIY challenge.
So without further ado, Nikki and I are gonna go split up and we're gonna shop for our costumes and then make them and then reveal them to each other.
We're gonna see who does it better, like sister versus sister type thing. You ready?
So without further ado, let's go shop.
Let's go.
So I'm just looking for inspo on Pinterest like I did last year. Last year I was a Victoria's Secret shopping bag. This year I should be a Tiffanys box. Should it be in like Tiffany blue underwear? Those are see-through anyway. That's a different kind of video. I actually own these. I deadass own these pajamas. They are Tiffany blue and they look very like chic. It's cute.
Wheels are turning. It always takes one piece to build an outfit. I feel like I could be a really hot race car driver, but like not just any. Like I feel like I'm gonna go all out.
Oh my God. When I was little, I would have loved all this. The Barbies look so cool now. This is so hard. This will definitely do the trick. But it's like not square. This is an option. I feel like I should just get that box and like cut it in half. Like, all right, I guess this is the box. Does Winter want a beep beep thing? Happy Halloween, Winter. Ugh.
I found checkerboard, but it's the little boys' sweatpants. Looks like I'm shopping for my son. I think I'm gonna try to wear these. I'm gonna get a backup pant for sure. I totally didn't see this.
So now that we have our box, I have to look for Tiffany blue paint to paint over the box, get a thick white ribbon to make a bow and like the ribbon on the box, and then letters to spell out Tiffany & Co. And something to give it straps. Some really kind lady helped us pick out this color, but I decided to go with the gloss finish because I feel like a Tiffany's box is like shiny.
So for backup pants, just in case the little boys' sweats don't fit, I'm gonna buy cute sweatpants if they have my size. All right, I was gonna get yellow, but they don't have my size, so I'm gonna have to get red. But I think red and checkerboard reminds me of race car driver, so. Now we need to go to like the crafts aisle because I wanna find like patches and like stuff for the hat. And I wanna like get like one of those checkerboard flags, like a prop. My boyfriend actually raced. He raced for a very long time, so I have actual help and he can help me like stay on track, stay on track.
So we're actually gonna use white duct tape for the ribbon going down the box and then use real ribbon for like the big bow. Sorry, there is literally a baby crying in the aisle. Okay. Oh, a glue gun. Let's get a floral one. This would be a cute strap for the box. I think I'm gonna go with these little letters in this font because this is the exact font for the Tiffanys writing.
And this, we're gonna have fun with this hat. Race car driver colors. A very sad selection of patches, but you know what? That's the sacrifice you have to make when you're doing a one-stop shop. Nate, are the patches like sponsors or something? Why do race car drivers have patches on them? Yeah, sponsors. Could have like a farm sponsor me? A helicopter company sponsoring me?
These are cute. They look like Tiffany's glasses with the blue. Pretty.
If you're a girl and you're making a Halloween costume, you do want to look not frumpy but kind of hot in it. So this is where the bra comes in. So I'm seeing mom bra, mom bra, mom bra. Burgundy, 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 burgundy. So I think we're gonna have to change the like hot cleavage plan to like sports bras because I feel like they have more fun colors and more of a selection in sports bras. Oh, this is cute. Oh, and I can even unzip it, and there's padding so it can like push up a little. I'm finished.
Gotta make sure it's nice and glossy, like a box.
So when I bought this windbreaker, I thought it was a zip up. It doesn't even go down enough to show cleavage. So that whole sports bra situation's out of the question. So I feel like I'm gonna have to go into like plan B mode. Right now, I'm just thinking of maybe cropping this. I don't think I have to cut this anymore. I was able to just like all roll it underneath and it's really cute. Now time, I guess, to try on the pants because I don't even know what pants I'm wearing. I just took the tag off this, not knowing if it even fits. I am glad I bought backup pants. These do not fit whatsoever. Like this is where my waist would have to be. Okay, plan B pants. Everything is plan B, what the hell? These fit. Yay for backup pants.
I'm just making the ribbon stripes with duct tape so that it's much easier. I feel like if it was ribbon, oh, this is not centered. If it was actual ribbon, like it would just be so messy and all over the place. This just makes it so pretty.
This is cute. Time to add my sponsors, which are the American Association of America Medical Health, Steve's Hardware, and an airport.
Who knew Walmart sells diamonds? How am I gonna do this? I can't do these.
Now I'm going to glue this to a stick, and then we have a flag. I'm all done, and I'm really proud of my DIY.
All right, so I think I'm all done and I'm ready to get dressed for the big reveal.
1, 2, 3.
I knew it.
I know you knew it.
I knew it.
How did you make that?
How did you make that? All I did was buy an outfit and I like DIY'd a hat, a flag, and patches, but that's about it. You, on the other hand, I knew you were gonna do the DIY route. Like you went to the craft section of Walmart. You're wearing all the jewels because like the jewelry comes inside the Tiffanys box and you're in the box.
Yeah.
I feel like Walmart's stepping it up because you wanna know something? This windbreaker is like an actual oversized windbreaker, and these are the sweatpants. Like I didn't DIY this outfit.
Oh my god, that's so cute.
They have cute clothes.
You DIY'd the hat and the flag?
The hat, the sponsors, like the patches.
That's smart.
And the flag.
Whoa, you colored that? You took the time to color that?
It was satisfying.
I would have just cut fabric in squares and glued them on.
Look how different these are.
Girly and tomboy, always.
Hopefully this video helped you guys and showed you guys that like you don't have to drop a ton of money to have a cool Halloween costume. Did you buy these at Walmart?
Yes, And these look like Tiffanys sunglasses, the shape and the blue rim. All right guys, comment down below what Halloween videos you guys want to see next on this channel. I love DIY, so please be a DIY video, please. Also, shout out, I just launched my jewelry line. It's Halloween themed. It's called the Charmed collection, and my jewelry line is called Knickknacks. So all that will be linked down below, as well as the Instagram. And we have Blood Queens, my series, going up on Fancy Vlogs by Gab every Tuesday in October. So we both got these Halloween things going on that you guys need to check out.
We're just obsessed with Halloween.
We really are.
Also, be sure to press that bell down below on this channel if you want to get notified when we upload. So yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye!